Alright, what's up, guys? We're gonna go fishing at this new spot we just found.
Oh, yeah.
It's about 5 in the morning.
Perfect time. Fish are waking up. Gives more activity than you usually do.
We got all our shit, our necessities, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, different casts, different baits. We're gonna catch something.
Hopefully. We ain't never been here before, so.
Yeah. Gonna hope to get some good casts in, get something. Catch a frog, maybe.
This is vlog number 1.
I mean, the water's pretty dirty.
It is
There's
dark
a lot
water.
of forage in it, so probably nothing good in there, but gonna try my best.
Now on the way by it, though, we did see some big-ass koi or something.
Yeah, either like a wild goldfish or a carp or a koi or something.
You're so far away from the fucking camera.
Hey! Man, it's a long walk.
It is. We probably should have grabbed the bikes.
Something.
Sun's
Nice though. Mornings like these, waking up, fishing, eating your meat. I mean,
whatever the hell you want to do.
gotta love summer morning.
You know, I think it's the perfect time to fish. The sun's just coming up.
Yeah, it's starting to get more active. They're starting to be like, oh yeah, I'm hungry. I'm really hungry.
We grabbed
I'm so
snacks.
hungry I could eat a fish.
Fuckers, dude, they're cannibals, man.
I know, you chuck a frog in there, they're like,
You know, we normally don't post vlogs. What do we do? Just
I don't know,
stupid
random videos that we record and then,
Forget about and then upload.
yeah, we're like, oh yeah, that was funny.
What was our last video?
Darla,
Oh yeah, Darla.
swear to God, she never lets me in that house. It's getting old.
So technically we do skits. Or just stupid shit.
Yeah, but we don't plan it out.
No, we just do it.
We're just like, yep,
We do improv then.
we're gonna wake up, suck a cock, catch a fish,
You know, I never.
eat a bottle. This is why I hate Earth.
Litter bugs. Wait a minute, what the fuck?
So it was already on the ground. I might as well throw it.
Catch and release, you know what I'm saying? Unless we find something that looks good.
We did that.
No outlet, private drive. Caution, children have play, but they don't live here.
It's killing my fucking arm.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll inform you guys if we catch anything, get any good casts. We'll show you the pond.
Yeah, I'll film.
See you guys in about 1 second. Quick update on the sunset, man. So beautiful.
Very beautiful. Alright, catch you later. Alright, quick update. We're walking downhill. Hill fucking sucks. Didn't realize.
Welcome to our Fish ASMR video channel.
Oh!
Didn't realize the hill is this big.
God, I'm walking like I got a dick in my booty hole.
I'm stubbing my toe every time I walk because I didn't tie my shoes. But, you know,
We should have fucking took something else down here instead of walking.
I was going to suggest the bikes before we head out, but need to get your exercise in. Stay healthy.
Luckily, the pond's like 40 seconds away.
Just right down that little hill we got. It's not much of a
Tell you
hill.
what, man, if I keep walking down the hill, my big toe's gonna fly through my shoe.
I know.
It's like,
I'm about to make some fucking Jesus sandwich.
ah, ah. I think that's fun. I had a cramp.
You guys thought that was funny? The fuck's wrong with you?
Feels like I've been walking for 6 days. Oh yeah, that light's coming up now.
What time is it now? It's only like. It's 5:39.
All right, well, we'll catch you guys whenever we start casting or catch something. We'll
Alright.
let you know.
Peace.
Alright guys, so we made it to the pond. Pretty nice. You can see the steams all over it, but figure start casting around all this forage out there by that tree. Maybe cast out that ways a little bit. Don't know if there's anything good in this pond, but we're gonna find out. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Alright.
Well, get your bag out there. Switch out the bait.
Well, we're gonna go through our gear, show you what we got. Ain't much. Travel light. So hold that real quick. Gotta get this fucking thing off.
Obviously, you know, we brought our snacks. and our drinks, and then we brought some bass bait.
Son of a bitch.
Some well, I'll show you what I'll tell you what we got in a minute. We got a crackers.
Crackers.
Good for protein.
Got
My
a flavored
water.
water. I didn't bring my Pepsi because fuck a 2-liter, couldn't fit it in the bag. We got some.
We're rocking with I forget what these are.
Oh, fucking
Some green pumpkin worms. I know bass love these. You know their eyesight
and
sucks.
we got little salamanders.
Yeah, we got the lizard June bugs. Pretty good.
And then just got some
Yeah, we just got these
spooner baits.
yeah, random spooners.
Oh, we also
Just try and tick
have-
them off a little bit, see if they'll go for the bite. Usually bass go for the brighter stuff. We got our, you know.
Yeah.
no need to let you know what that is, but we're gonna get these bait on here, start casting, and then
Well, we got
hope
two
to
more.
get a bite. So
We got
yeah, we got pliers too, because weights like to fall off every now and then. But all right, I'll let you guys know in a little bit. No.
All right, guys. We're gonna go ahead and record the first cast.
Yeah, not really gonna cast for much. I'm just gonna kind of chuck it out there and hope for the best. But here we go. See if we can get something right off the bat. Ah, I didn't set the hook. Well, this is gonna be a long day, so.
And these crackers ain't all that good.
Yeah, this is gonna be a real long day. I didn't.
All right, guys. Quick update. There ain't much activity in the water.
Stuck in the freaking. Everything's stuck in the
What are those fucking lily pads?
something.
So I'm gonna switch out my bait, see if I can get any bites on it.
Feel like I'm pulling half the pond.
You are. I don't know how many fish are in this water, but I'll be back. Gotta take a quick break, change out the bait, and get the hook out of these weeds.
Larry, put it back in the bag.
All right, so we're switching out our baits now. He's gonna use a lizard.
6-inch June bug lizard. Just let me know. Don't want ants to get my food.
I need it in there. Had to switch out my bait.
There you go.
What a
What a what?
what a dick.
What a day. Ow. Oh, dude, this bobber's doing the same thing. This is why I hate bobbers.
Bobbers fucking suck.
Yeah, right there. Just go right in.
It's a nice day out. It's right temperature. You know what I'm saying? It's the same bird. Crazy. I'm switching up to a smaller bait. You know, I ain't getting any fucking bites. What's our channel again? Billy and the Big Gorilla? Gorilla? What is it? I don't know. Can't even remember the channel name. We're new here. Some bad resolution. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See that? What's up, guys? It's your buddy Todd here, and oh, my friend here is about to do a cast. Get it, dog? Gnarly, bro.
It was a prank.
You got pranked. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not fucking hyped like that. I don't have energy like that. Say hello. Alright, well. Take a break here. battery's very low, so gonna take a break till we catch something, get a bite, something interesting happens. Yeah, man. Yeah, peace.